Hello everybody. Today we're going to go over the $100 Startup by Chris Guillibeau. Now, the premise of this book is that you too can start a startup venture or a small business, if you will, with nothing more than $100 of resources. And here's how the author says you can do it. First, he says the first step is to create a product or service. And in doing so, you need to focus on a target market. That is a market that's underserved that needs your product or service. Then you'll look at the value that you deliver to them, and you can compare that to the value that they receive from other products or services that is trying to meet that same need or want. And the idea here is to make certain you stay open. Don't fall in love with your idea. Focus on the customer. If you can provide value to them in a targeted way that is some way differentiated from what other products or services are doing, then you have a viable idea that you can move forward with. Next, you need to come up with an offer. And what does this mean? You need to align your value proposition with whatever it is that the customer, client, end user wants or needs. So you target them. You focus on them, not on many entrepreneurs focus on what they have the ability to do or offer, and they hope to find people who want what they're offering. Instead, the author here says, no, focus on what the customer needs and make certain you can, to a minimum extent, meet that need or want. Not focus on your ability, but more focus on what, again, they want or need. So then, position your offering so that it's enticing to them. That is, that they are going to immediately recognize the value that you're offering and thus develop some need or want for it. And then make sure your timing is correct. Trends are a real thing. And if you catch the end of a trend with something that's dying, then it's the wrong time to act. You want to catch trends on the upswings, or in a perfect world, even start a trend yourself, but that can be a taller order. Now, procedurally, you're going to need to set up sales channel and ability to receive payment. This could be setting up a website or a way to sell through other third-party providers such as Shopify or Amazon, or some service provider site like Upwork or Fiverr or something of that nature. Then you focus on how you can receive payment, or the model through which you'll receive money back. This could be as easy as setting up a payment processor, or it could be a revenue collection model for how you're going to translate the value that you receive back into money. From there, you come up with a marketing and launch plan. That is, how are you going to make people aware of your product offering? And normally this starts with trying to build up anticipation, and that's what a launch plan is about. You put the information out there. You gather email addresses or phone numbers and things of that nature where you can text or email people to build excitement about what's being offered, so that ultimately when you launch the product, there's momentum moving forward, and people are, excited about the experience, and they're more likely to share it with others because it's something they're excited about and been waiting on. So make certain your launch plan is logical. You have a date set for a finite or hard launch. Participate in the launch cycle yourself. That is, go out there and promote it. Self-promote. Build the brand for yourself and the product that you're offering, such that, once again, people are going to feel like they are familiar with it or are aware of what they're receiving. And then you actually launch. Now, once you do, you will go through the process of repeating this cycle, because you will come up with new products or services that, again, address a customer need or want. You come up with the alignment of the offering, making it enticing, the correct timing, and then you market and launch it as well. And then you repeat this cycle using the lessons learned to do it better and better and better each time. And this is the model for the $100 startup. Hello everybody. I hope you're enjoying the content, and please pardon the interruption. I just want to take a moment to remind you that this is just a small sample of the various resources we have in our academy at thebusinessprofessor.com. We have long-form book summaries, business courses, business and legal templates, a career TV channel, an AI-powered business encyclopedia, recent headlines, and lots of other benefits to explore as well. So please, I hope to see you as a member of the community sometime in the future.